So hello guys, today we'll learn about the expand of images using generative fill. So let's start. I'm opening one image which I have clicked in my mobile. So my system is getting little bit slow because I installed Photoshop Beta. So see, it's having low quality, right? Not that much good quality. So what I will do first of all, I will double click this layer, and by using crop tool, I will choose the size. According to your size, you can increase. So by pressing Alt, you can select. So I want this size. Okay. So next, what I will do, enter and select rectangular mark tool, and by pressing again first Ctrl A, then rectangular mark tool, and again press Alt. You should select a little bit inside the image to get the good out. And see, this option is coming, and you'll click on Generative Fill. Here no need to give any prompt, and click on Generate. So let's see, wait for the result. I hope it's giving good quality. Yeah. So see, I'm satisfied with this result. So according to this, you can experiment. Okay. So see, I already used this generative tool with this size, this size. It's amazing, right? So thank you guys. See you on the next class.